Good morning, everyone. My name is Krisha Mangi, and in this video, I'll be reflecting on my self learning journey through the Infosys Springboard course on data structures and algorithm, specifically focusing on how Python can be used to implement traditional data structures. This course helped me bridge the gap between the theoretical concepts and their real world applications. Today, Today, I will also discuss how I used a detailed article on the same topic, which served as the foundation for my learning. So let's dive in. The journey begins, my DSA learning adventure. The activity I chose was to explore and implement traditional data structures like arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists, and trees using Python. The course provided a well rounded approach, combining theory and practice. I also came across an article titled From Theory to Practice Using Python to Implement Traditional Data Structures that perfectly complemented the course content. The article offered a detailed information of two data structures and how Python's simplicity can turn abstract concepts into the practical tools. After reading the article, I decided to implement each structure using Python as it helped me better understand their functionality and real world applications. How I completed it. My learning journey began with reading the article, which provided a solid overview of different data structures. The article broke down complex concepts into simpler terms and offered Python code snippets for each data structure, array, stack, queues, linked list, and trees. I found this approach really helpful because it allowed me to see how each structure works and then immediately implement it in Python. After going through the article, I took the learning further by complementing the corresponding Infosys Springboard course. The course provided additional depth and practical experiences that helped me test my understanding. It was a mix of assignment, quizzes, and coding tasks that required me to apply what I had learned from both the article and the course. The resources I used: the Infosys Springboard platform for course content, the article for conceptual clarity and Python code examples, Python documentation for syntax and libraries like collection.dq and list. So here are the screenshot of my certificate. What skills I learned. By completing this course and reading the article, I learned a variety of technical and soft skills. On the technical side, I gained hands on experience in implementing core data structures in Python. I learned how to use arrays, Python list for quick data access, implement stacks for LIFO operations, useful in scenarios like undo functionality, work with queues using Python's DQ for efficient FIFO operations, created linked list which allows dynamic data storage. Build trees to represent hierarchical data, such as organizational structure or decision making trees. But it was not just about coding. The course also improved my problem solving abilities. Each data structure has its own strengths and weakness, and understanding when and why to use one over another was a key advantage. In addition to my technical skills, I developed soft skills like communication and presentation. I had to explain concepts clearly and concisely in my assignment. Moreover, explaining these concepts to others or even writing detailed comments in my code helped me solidify my understanding. How this experience will help me in my future career. Now, let's talk about how this experience will benefit my future career. Data structures are essential for almost every software engineering role, and understanding how to implement them efficiently is critical. This course and article provided me with a solid foundation in these structures and will undoubtedly help in coding interviews for the tech placements. Furthermore, the knowledge of data structures will be beneficial in higher studies or research. Whether I am diving into algorithms or exploring fields like data science and machine learning, these fundamental concepts are indispensable for solving complex problems efficiently. For entrepreneurship, having the skills to build efficient software system from scratch is invaluable. Understanding data structures and their applications allows me to create scalable, high performance systems that can handle real world challenges. Reflection on the learning journey. Reflecting on my learning journey, I am particularly grateful for how the article helped me visualize the data structure in action. Before reading it, I had a limited understanding of how they worked. But after going through the content, I could see how Python could be used to implement the structures practically. The hands-on experiences from the course then that allowed me to apply this knowledge in the real world scenarios. Python's simplicity allowed me to focus on understanding the logic behind each structure rather than getting stuck in syntax. The course helped me apply this knowledge to build real solutions from task scheduling using queues to hierarchical data representation using trees. In conclusion, completing this self learning journey through the Infosys Springboard course and reading the article has equipped me with a valuable skills in data structures and algorithm, particularly in Python. I have not only gained technical knowledge but also enhanced my problem solving and communication skills. This experience has solidified my foundation in computer science, and I am confident it will play a pivotal role in my future career. I'm excited to take this knowledge forward, whether it's applying it in my job interviews, working on research projects, or even building my own startups in the future. I feel empowered by how these fundamental concepts in programming can solve real world problems. Thank you.